So in this video, we are going to learn how to add new WordPress post to Nuelink. So if you keep on publishing your new post on WordPress and the image, the feature image which you use in your WordPress post, you want to post that same image into your multiple social media platform with the title as a caption, this automation is going to help you a lot. So in this automation, whenever a new post will be published on your WordPress site, automatically the featured image of that WordPress post will be added in our Nuelink account. And also we are going to add the title of that post as the caption of that image. And using Nuelink, you can schedule that image to be posted on your multiple social media platforms automatically. So how you can set up this automation and use it? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as WordPress to Nuelink. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our WordPress account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that every time a new post is shared on our WordPress site on our WordPress account, the details of that newly published post will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we are going to send the image from that new post which we have shared on WordPress to Nuelink. And then also we are going to add the post title as the caption of that particular image. And we are going to create a collection over here in Nuelink. So let's see how it is done. Now here in trigger window, in choose app, search for WordPress. Just select WordPress. And then in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new post published. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we are going to connect our WordPress site with Pabbly Connect. So here let's copy this webhook URL from here. And to add this webhook URL on our WordPress account, just follow the help text given below over here. So let's go to our WordPress site. Now to add this webhook URL, first we have to install a plugin in our WordPress site. From the left sidebar, just go to plugin section, go to add new and search for WP Webhooks, this plugin. I have already installed it, so let me show you. So in my install plugin section, we will search for that particular plugin. So after coming to this page, let's search for WP Webhooks. And yes, here you can see that this particular plugin named as WP Webhooks is already installed and activated on my WordPress site. After installing it, we have to go to the settings section of our WordPress site, and here under settings section, you can see WP Webhooks, this option. Just go to WP Webhooks from here. After coming to this WP Webhooks page, go to send data and then just scroll down. After scrolling down on the left side, here you can see a list of different events. Out of all of them, we have to select this event named as post created. After selecting post created, click on add webhook URL. Let's give this webhook URL name, for example, Nuelink. I would like to name it as Nuelink. And then here in webhook URL section, we have to enter the same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Just copy it from here and then paste it over here. And after pasting this, just click on add for post create. And this is it. We have successfully added this webhook URL in our WordPress site. So let's search for this webhook URL named as Nuelink. And here it is. After reaching to this webhook URL, we have to click on these 3 dots in front of it and go to settings. After coming to the settings page, the first thing it asks us trigger on selected post type. That on what type of post creation we want to trigger this webhook URL. We want WordPress to send data to Pabbly Connect. So we have to select post over here. And after that, in trigger on initial post status, what should be the status of the post when it's created, when we are sending these details to Pabbly Connect. Here we are going to select published. So we are telling this webhook URL that whenever a new page post, a new post is published on our WordPress site, send the details of that published post to Pabbly Connect. So after selecting these 2 options, just click on Save Settings. And this is it. We have successfully added the webhook URL in our WordPress site and connected it with Pabbly Connect. Now every time a new post will be shared on WordPress, automatically the details of that post will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And we are going to do the same. We'll go to a WordPress site and here we are going to create a new post. Let's go to add new and then just scroll down. Let's add the name of this post. For example, I would like to create a post on automation and integration. Automation and integration. After this, let me add the content of this post as well. So let's paste the post content. And then here I'm going to also add an image, a featured image in this post. Go to set featured image option and here in my library I have this particular image. Let's add this image for example. So just now I have created a new post on my WordPress site. I have added the content, the featured image and also the title. Now after this, let's click on this publish button over here. And yes, here you can see that just now a new post is published on our WordPress site. Let's click on the link of this post and we will see this post will open in front of us over here. So this is the image and this is the complete post. And because we have connected this WordPress site with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect account, here in trigger window, we will get a response. And here it is. And in this response, we will see the exact same details of the post. Here we have the thumbnail image, the image which we have added. We have the link of that image in the response. Let's open this link in a new tab and we will see this is the exact same image which we have added in this post. After this, we'll scroll down further. Here you can see the permanent link of this post. Then we'll scroll down and you will see the title and the content of the post as well. So here you can see the title of the post and also the status with the content of the post. So in post content, you can see the complete content as well. Now after this, the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully received the title of the post and also the image which we have added, the featured image from the post in Pabbly Connect. Now let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we are going to add this featured image in the content section of our Nuelink account in the collections. And also we are going to give a caption with the title of the post which we have shared on WordPress. Now to do this, just scroll down, come to our action window and here in choose app, search for Nuelink. Just select it. After selecting Nuelink in action event from the drop down, select add post to collection as the action event. Click on connect and select add new connection. So here guys, we have to connect our Nuelink account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with Nuelink button. And then here we can see that because I have already logged into my Nuelink account in my browser, Pabbly Connect has detected the same account. Just scroll down, click on give access. So here we have to select the collection, that the access of which collection we want to give. In which particular collection in our Nuelink account we want to create this content, we want to add this image. So in my Nuelink account, I have created 2 different collections. First one is named as draft and second one is general. If you have created multiple collection, then here in this connection window, you can see a list of all the collection in this drop down. Right now, I'm going to select general and click on give access to general. After this, here you can see that our Nuelink account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the caption, that what will be the caption of the post of the image which we are adding in Nuelink. So as we discussed, we are going to add the title of the image as the caption. And here from WordPress responses, we have received the title of the post. So let's map this response of post title over here in this caption. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from WordPress of a new post. Out of all of these responses, select this response of post title and map it over here. After mapping this, it is asking us for the media. That what is the media, what is the image or the video which we are adding in Nuelink. So here guys, just click here and from the drop down from WordPress responses, we have received this response of post thumbnail, the thumbnail image which we have added on our WordPress post. Just select and map that link over here. Then it is asking us all text, title, share to feed, post as short. So all of these fields are optional fields. If you want, you can enter these details over here or you can ignore them. Right now, we are just going to ignore them for now and then click on save and send test request. So after clicking on save and send test request, here we will see we have received some response from Nuelink and this response says success. which means this image whose link we have added over here, whose link we have mapped, basically the image from our WordPress post has been added to the collection in our new link account. And this is the caption of that post. So let's check it. We'll go to new link. We have selected general as the collection. So let's open it. Let's go to the post section and scroll down. And yes, here you can see that automation and integration, the same post title which we have published on WordPress is added, and here you can see the same image which we have added in the WordPress post has been added as a content, as a collection over here in our new link account. This means the automation workflow which we have created between WordPress and new link is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new WordPress post will be published, automatically the image of that post will be added as a collection in our new link account, and the caption will be the title of that WordPress post. Now, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once in real time. We will go to our WordPress site, and here we are going to create a new post. So we'll just go to the post section, go to add new, and then here we are going to add the title of this post as well. So the title is Benefits of AI. And then let's add the description, the post content over here. So this is the content. Now I also want to add a feature image. So let's click on set featured image over here. Let's upload this file from my computer this time. And here is the image. Let's open it. And this file has been uploaded. And after this, just select set feature image. So just now we have created a new post on our WordPress site. This is the title, Benefits of AI. Let me just correct it. Benefits of AI. So let's publish this post on my WordPress site. Click on publish, and now this post has been published on my WordPress site. After publishing it, we will see automatically the same featured image which we have added in this post will be added in the collection in our new link account. And yes, the post is now successfully published. Let's open this post once. Let's open this post in a new tab. And then here is the post. This is the image and this is the complete post. Now we will see as this post is published, automatically within seconds in our new link account in this general section, a new collection, a new image has been added into the collection. So let's refresh this page and then we'll scroll down. And yes, here you can see that Benefits of AI, the same image which we have added in the WordPress post has been added to the collection in our new link account. And here's the same caption as the title of the post. So this means the automation workflow which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.